What's up, you guys? If you're mixing concrete by hand and you don't want to rent one of those heavy electric mixers, check this out. This is called the Steel Mixer. It'll mix a bag of concrete in less than a minute. It's made in the USA and it's a veteran-owned company. Don't breathe the dust. Water in first, concrete in second. Shake it all the way over. Don't spill the water. Come back again. Nice and easy now. Get it all over there without spilling the water. Believe it or not, the slower that you go, the faster it mixes. I'm almost done. When you're done, lock it in the lock position. Oh. There it goes. You can use a flat shovel to get it out, but let me show you real quick.